All of you. My name, as ma'am already said, my name is Priyanka, which means adorable and lovable to all. I hope I'm able to entertain you and I become one to you guys as well. I'll start with an autobiography. It's story about my life. That's the title of my poem. Honestly, if you don't know, autobiography means something which is true. So it's a story about my life. I'll start with it. Once there was a girl, as beautiful as pearl, who loved to twirl. She aimed to be the best, different from all rest. And for that, she was even ready to give any test. For that, she was even ready to give any test. To make life bright, to make life bright, she tirelessly worked day and night. She tirelessly worked day and night. She had a very clear sight. Any problem on her way, she was ready to fight. Any problem on her way, she was ready to fight. She wanted to be beautiful and full of glam, like you. She wanted to be beautiful and full of glam. For that, she ran and ran. For that, she ran and ran because many thought she never can. Many thought she never can. But she did earn many fan. She did earn many fan. She always preached and her target she did reach. She always preached and her target she did reach. It wasn't a game. It wasn't a game. It was her aim. It was her aim. With that, she even earned a lot of fame. A lot of fame. But because she was insane, everything went in vain. Because she was insane, everything went in vain. She acted a little mad and forgot that excess is bad. She acted a little mad and forgot that excess is bad and ended up being sad. Ended up being sad. It gave her a lot of pain. It gave her a lot of pain. But she did get to know people who are mean. She did get to know people who are mean. Many claim, but only few remain. Many did claim, but only few remain. Still, surprisingly, she did gain. She did gain confidence and determination. Confidence and determination, which requires no support and explanation. Which requires no support and explanation. All it requires is willingness and imagination. Willingness and imagination. I am my personal favorite. Thank you. दुनिया में बड़े अलग किस्म के होते हैं लोग, पर इन सब का है एक कॉमन रोग. ऊपर से नीचे तक देखेंगे, फ्रॉम योर फेस टू योर ब्लू जीन्स एंड ब्लैक स्वेटर, और फिर हंस के कहेंगे, टू मी लुक्स डोंट मैटर. वी आर मेनली लुकिंग फॉर दैट वाइब. अच्छा, तभी जीवनसाथी.com पे किया था सब्सक्राइब. फिर वो कहेंगे, बहुत ब्यूटीफुल ना हो, पर यार एजुकेटेड एंड डिसेंट हो गर्ल. पर यार हूर पर ही लगनी चाहिए वो, डूइंग हर वेडिंग ड्रेस टूअर. मेरी मम्मी से व्हेन यू मीट, मेक श्योर यू टच हर फीट. वर्क और नो वर्क इज योर चॉइस. देयर वी डोंट हैव अ वॉइस. बाय द वे, शॉर्ट ड्रेस में लगती हो तुम काफ़ी सही, पर ये मेरे घर में अलाउड नहीं. वी आर अदरवाइज वेरी मॉडर्न. ओ आई फॉरगॉट, हाउ मच डू यू अर्न? दे विल टॉक टू यू, गो ऑन डेट्स विद यू फॉर वीक्स एंड वीक्स. पर जब फ्यूचर का पूछो, दे हैव बहाना सो यूनिक. यार वो ना तुम्हारे एक्स की बहन है मेरी सिस्टर की दोस्त. एंड माई फैमिली फेल्ट योर फैमिली वॉज नॉट अ गुड होस्ट. मीठे में चीज़ें थी सिर्फ 3. बेब, वी वॉन्ट अ गर्ल हु इज क्लीन. एंड कुछ तो होते हैं बिल्कुल ही मम्माज बॉय. मम्मी ने पसंद नहीं किया तो लव इंटरेस्ट से सडनली यू बिकम अ टॉय. एंड हमारा तो होता ही नहीं है दिल. फिर कहेंगे, डोंट ब्लेम अस, हमने ही दिया था तुम्हारा कॉफ़ी बिल. सब जान लिया, सब मान लिया. शादी के बाद घर बदल जाएगा, ये तो सबने बताया था. शादी के बाद परिवार बदल जाएगा, ये भी सबने सिखाया था. पर मेरे क्वेश्चन का जवाब तो किसी ने कभी नहीं दिया कि जिंदगी में जब ये शादी का समय नज़दीक आएगा, मुझसे मुझे ही छीन लिया जाएगा. थैंक यू. Okay, so you have seen enough of self-love shown. I'll now come to showing love for something I think you will all be able to relate. You'll all be able to relate it. The title of my that poem is Vibrant Tapestry. Too hard. So easy title, India, My Pride. My India, my pride. A nation which has an ancient culture and rich heritage. A nation which has ancient culture and rich heritage, where you see developed cities and village. Where you see developed cities and village. It cannot be described in a passage. It cannot be described in a passage. In minds of you all, it has a very good image. In minds of you all, it has a very good image. And its motto, Satyameva Jayate, gives a very beautiful message. My nation, my pride. My nation. Story of its past will give all of you a lot of motivation. Story about its past will give you a lot of motivation. For some, it might be inspiration. For some, it might be inspiration. You should study about it. It will give you fruitful education. Fruitful education. Dealing with so many situations. Sometimes emotion and fighting with it. Devotion. Fighting with devotion. It's India, my nation. It's India, my nation. Not just a place of beautiful land. Not just a place of beautiful land. In all problems, with unity they stand. In all problems, with unity they stand. Holding each other's hand. Holding each other's hand. And achieve success in a manner so grand. And achieve success in a manner so grand. They don't just preach. They don't just preach. A message of non-violence, they teach. A message of non-violence, they teach. Kindness is in the speech. Kindness is in the speech for each. Kindness is in the speech for each. It shows unity in diversity. It shows unity in diversity. That too in a fantastic intensity. That too in fantastic intensity. Giving up with so much of clarity. Giving up with so much of clarity. It is India where dreams do come reality. It is India where dreams become reality. Okay, a beautiful dove. A place with beautiful dove and thoughtful cove. A place with beautiful dove and thoughtful clove. With every passing wind. With every passing wind. I can proudly say, Jai Hind. I can proudly say, Jai Hind. हर मुश्किल से लड़ना है सिखाता. देश हमारा हर मुश्किल से लड़ना है सिखाता. भारत भाग्य विधाता. भारत भाग्य विधाता. Thank you.